Hello. In Montessori, accidents are simply opportunities for learning. Today, we'll explore the practical life activity of cleaning a spill, a quiet exercise that helps children develop responsibility, confidence, and purposeful movement. Prepare a small tray with a sponge, a towel, and a bucket for squeezing out water. Keep it accessible on a low shelf so the child can reach it independently whenever needed. When a spill happens, invite the child gently. Would you like to clean this together? Kneel beside the spill to model calmness. Slowly place the sponge onto the water and let the child notice how it absorbs the liquid. Lift the sponge, squeeze it into the bucket, and repeat until the surface is dry. Then use the towel to polish the area and restore everything neatly to the tray. The points of interest are the movement of the water and the way the sponge soaks it up. Control of error is simple. If the surface is still damp, the child can see it and continue working. Avoid rushing, scolding, or treating the spill as a problem. In Montessori, this is simply care of the environment. Extensions include cleaning windows or mirrors with a small spray bottle. Cleaning a spill teaches children responsibility without shame, transforming small accidents into moments of independence and confidence.